To begin, place the boot and the soft tail boot onto the cable. Please note the orientation of the boots, as it will be important later in the assembly process. Slide the end of the drop cable into the drop cable stripper and remove at least 5 centimeters of the jacket. Fix the cable into the cutting jig. Mark the fiber at the end point of the cutting jig. Strip off the 250 micron acrylite coating back to the added mark. Clean the fiber with the dust-free wipe. Fix the fiber into the cutting jig. Make sure that the end of the 250 micron acrylite coating meets the end of the cutting jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver. Make sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the connector until the fibers meet inside. You'll feel slight resistance. Push the jacket into the slot at the base of the connector. Remove the opener. We recommend not discarding the opener, as you'll need it for removal or termination. Push the soft tail into the end of the connector. Ensure the rectangular wing is orientated upward. Lastly, screw on the boot to complete the assembly.